Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm so excited to be sharing with you the latest deals for CVS that start this Sunday, June 10th. There's over 38 deals. Just keep in mind that if there's any printables, I'm going to provide the link in the description box. Also, scan your card to see which CVS coupon you did receive. And I am including some of those CVS coupons to help you save even more. So let's just get started. I try to do the deals in order how I saw it in the ad, so then it'll be easier for you if you're going to go to the store once you glance through the page. The first deal I saw was the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. What you could do is print the coupon, and it's going to be on special for $7.99. So you will pay in the register $6.99. You get back 3 ECB when you buy one, but also you could submit it to Ibotta. But do check your Ibotta app to make sure you do have this offer before doing this deal. For the COVERGIRL Peacock, it's going to be on special as well for $7.99. There is a printable coupon. Also, it is on the Smart Stores, so you don't miss on this deal. If this is something that you want to do, you will pay in the register $5.99 after that coupon. You get back 3 ECB, making it a total of $2.99. Here's another, but I think this is a new item. It's going to be on special as well for $7.99. There is a coupon I'll be expecting this insert that is coming up this Sunday that you could use. It will deduct $3. In the register, you pay $4.99. You get back 3 ECB, and your total will be $1.99, and the limit for this is up to 6. If you have a CVS coupon, 3 off 12 cosmetics or 3 off 12 Revlon, here's a deal idea. You could buy 2 of the Revlon lip plumping for $7.99. Your total will be $15.98. You could use 2 of those coupons that we're expecting this Sunday, and that coupon deducting 3. So you pay $6.98, you get back 3. So your total will be 98 cents or just 49 cents. Here's another idea. You could buy the Revlon and the COVERGIRL that I mentioned earlier. You could use 1 coupon for the COVERGIRL deducting 2, 1 coupon for the Revlon deducting 3, and that CVS coupon deducting 3. You pay $7.98. You get back 2 ECB for one, 3 ECB for the other one, and your total will be $1.98 or just 99 cents for each item. We are expecting a mystery offer for COVERGIRL, so this is a deal idea. If the mystery offer is up to 3, you could buy 2 of the brow pencil, because since COVERGIRL is going to be buy 1 and get the other one 50% off. So your total will be $7.04 after you buy 2. You could use 2 of those coupons, deducting 2 each, and you pay $3.04. But if your mystery offer is $3, then your total will be just 4 cents or just 2 cents each item. I really like this item, but the deal is not the greatest, but I'm sharing it since it's going to be on special for $7.99. We don't have any coupons, so that's how much you'll pay in the register. You could get back 3 ECB at the end of your receipt, making it $4.99. For this offer, verify your savings star in case you're interested in doing this deal, and you have to have early activation in order for it to be free. You could buy one for $4.99, and you could use a coupon that we're expecting this Sunday that will deduct $3, so you pay $1.99. That's how much it will be since we're not going to get back ECBs. But if you do have early activation and you have a savings star offer for 2, it will make this item free. Another item that's going to be free is the CREST Pro Health. You could buy it for $3, but you could use a coupon from your P&G, or you could select it from your CVS app. So in the register, you'll pay $2. You get back 2 ECB when you buy 1, and the limit is up to 2, so you could do this twice, and it will be totally free. This deal is a mix and match. Once you buy $20 worth, you get 5 ECB. So here's an idea, but only if the KLEENEX wet wipes is included, since it's a new item. What you could do is buy 1 of the Scott tissue, 1 of the paper towel, and 6 KLEENEX wet wipes. That will give you a total of $20.48. You could use a coupon from scottbrand.com deducting 55 cents, another one deducting 50, but there is a printable, just like there is a coupon for KLEENEX wet wipes deducting $1 each if it's 20 pounds or higher. So you will pay $13.43 and you get back 5 ECB. But if you do want to save more, just verify you check out 51. Remember that on Thursdays it does changes to new items, and if it's still included there, you could submit your receipt on Sunday and you get back a $5 rebate, making this a total of $7.43 or just 93 cents each item. For this deal, you have to do it in 2 different trips, 2 different days, since the coupon is limited to per day. So you could buy 4 in total. Your total will be $19.76. Use 4 of those coupons. You'll pay $11.76. You get back 5 ECB, and your total will be $1.69 each. If you receive this coupon deducting one of three, it's a CVS coupon for candy bags, and you're able to use it. What you could do is get two of the M&Ms. It will be $3 each, so it's a total of $6. You could use a coupon deducting off one, and also that CVS coupon, and your total will be $4, or just $2 each bag. You could also use that coupon instead on this deal if it's allowed, if it's included. So you could buy 3 of the M&M's chocolate singles. So it'll be $3. You can use that coupon from CVS. You'll pay 2, but you get back 1 ECB when you buy 3, making it a total of $1 for all 3, or just 33 cents each. I really like this item. I've only tried the cucumber one, and I think if you do have that Physicians Formula CVS coupon we got last Sunday, I think this is perfect. So you could buy one of these for $9.99, depending on the price in your store. Use that coupon, so you pay in the register $6.99. You'll get back 7 ECB, making it free. Here's another idea in case you don't want to do the stick. You could get the highlighter. The highlighter is for $10.99. Use that coupon from CVS, so you pay $7.99. You get back 7 ECB, and your total will be just 99 cents for the butter highlighter, which is really good. Another idea in case could be getting 2 of the makeup remover. On my store, they're $4.99, so your total will be $9.98. You could use that coupon, that CVS coupon, if you haven't used it already. So you pay in the register $6.98, but you get back 7 ECB, making both items free. There are many ideas you could do for Wet n Wild, depending on how many coupons you do have, since you do need 1 per item. So here's an idea. You could buy 2 of the blush and 3 of the lipstick, and your total will be $10.45. You could use 2 coupons per face, which qualifies for the blush, and the 50 cents for the lipstick, and you pay $6.95. You get back 5 ECB, making it a total of just 39 cents for each item, and I think that's pretty good. Here's another idea for the next makeup. What you could do is buy 2 of the lipstick. It should say lipstick there for $4.99, and your total will be $9.98. There's no coupons needed. So that's how much you pay in the register, but you get back 5 ECB, making it $4.98 or just $2.49 each. This lipstick is going to be on special again for $6.99. There is a coupon that we are expecting this Sunday. Yes, we're getting many coupons for Revlon, which I love. And you can use one of those coupons and you'll pay $3.99 on the register, but you get back 4 ECB, making it free. And the good thing is that the limit for this is up to 6. Here is another idea. If you have a CVS cosmetic coupon, this is an idea. What you could do is buy the plumping lip that I showed you earlier for $7.99, and the lustrous lips, which is the one I just showed you right now. So the total will be $14.98. You could use 2 coupons for the lip, deducting $3 each, plus that CVS coupon, so you'll pay $5.98. You get back 2 ECBs, 1 for $3, 1 for $4, making it free and $1.02 moneymaker. This is a new item, so it's going to be on special. It's for $7.99. There is like a printable coupon I shared earlier, or you could just use a coupon from the insert, and you pay $5.99. You get back 3 ECB, making it $2.99. If you receive a coupon from CVS for Makeup Academy, this is, I think, a good deal. What you could do is buy 2 of the lips, since some of the lips are going to be on special. So you buy 2, and your total will be $11.98. You do need to buy 2 items. Use that coupon, deducting 3. You will receive a 6 ECB, making it $2.98 or just $1.49 each. I love when we get coupons from ALMAY, because ALMAY could be a very expensive drugstore makeup item. So here's an idea. You could buy 2 of these lipstick for $6.29 and use 2 coupons that we're expecting this Sunday. So on the register, you'll pay $8.58. You get back 4 ECB when you spend $12, and your total will be $4.58 or just $2.29 each, and you could do this up to 6 times. Here's another idea. Of course, if you have a CVS coupon, it's much better to do this deal because you save even more. So you could do the same deal idea that I just shared with you. Use that coupon. If you have that ALMAY coupon, and your total will be $1.58 or just 79 cents each. But here's another idea in case you want to try another product from ALMAY. Like, I really love their blush. But you could just buy 1 for $12.29. It's pretty expensive. Use 1 coupon, deducting 4, and using that coupon from CVS, deducting 3, so you pay $5.29. You get back 4 ECB, making it a total of $1.29. This deal idea is if you have the Savings Star offer, which I believe is if you buy 15, you get back 4 in cash back. But also keep in the lookout, if you don't have the Savings Star, there's another option, possibility, if checkout 51 will include it as a rebate starting on Thursday. So that's why I'm just including it just in case, depending which rebate you do have. So you could buy 4 of the Sally Hansen nails and use 4 of those coupons. At the register, you pay $11.96, but you get back 5 ECB. You could submit it to Savings Star, which you're going to give you back 4. So your total will be 74 cents each. But don't forget, you could also be on the lookout for that checkout 51 offer in case. I do like when we get Garnier facial care deals, and this one is somewhat okay, but it does have a lot of good savings. Buy 2 of the toilettes and use 2 coupons, deducting 2 each. So you pay $9.50, you get back 5 ECB, making it a total up to $29. But if you do have any CVS coupons, it will be a lot of savings. Here's another idea, including that CVS coupon. If your CVS coupon does state you need to reach $15, then here's an idea. Buy 1 of the toilettes and 1 of the face mists. That right there, you reach $15. Use 2 coupons, deducting 2 each, and also that CVS coupon deducting 4. So you pay $7.78. You get back 5 ECB, making it a total of just $2.78 or just $1.39 each item. Olay can be expensive, and sometimes we don't find deals, and I think this is a good time to really get this item. That is if you have that CVS coupon that it says 2 off 6 any body wash. So we could do is buy 2 for $5 each, and it will be $10. Use 2 coupons from P&G and that CVS coupon, so you pay $6. You get back 2 ECB, making it 2 each. Another option could be the Olay daily facials. Where you could do is buy 2, since you do need to reach 15, and your total will be $17.18 depending on the price that you have it in your store. You could print this coupon, but it has to limit 1 per day. So also check the CVS app in case. That way you don't have to do 2 trips. And you pay $13.18. You get back 5 ECB, but also check your Ibotta because it's an offer, but it might expire during the time of the ad when it starts. After the cash back, your total will be $6.68 or just $3.34 each. The next item is very easy to get, since all you have to do is scan your card and you get an instant coupon expected this Sunday. It's going to be on the price is going to be $1.99. You could use that instant coupon from CVS and you pay 99 cents, and that'll be the total for this item. What you could do is buy 4 of this item, since you do need to get up to $15. So you reach 16 when you get 4. It's going to be on special in that price. And you could use 2 coupons that we're expecting from Smart Source this Sunday. So use 2 of those and I'll deduct $4. So you pay 8, but you get back 5 ECB, making it 75 cents each. If you do have any L'Oreal or any type of hair care CVS coupon, use it on this deal and it's going to be a lot more savings. Here, what I'm trying to do is reach $30. It did surpass a little bit, but I think it's not so bad once you see the item at the end. What you could do is get 3 of the cleanser and 1 of the clay mask. Use 2 coupons. We're expecting this Sunday, deducting 5 each, and you pay $24.26. You get back 10 ECB, making it just $3.57 each. Here's another idea. What you could do is get 4 of the cleanser. It could be the wipes, or it could be meaning the towelette, or just a cleanser. And you will reach $30 once you buy 4 at that price. Use 2 of those same coupons we're expecting this Sunday. You pay $20.36, but you get back 10 ECB, making it just $2.59 each item. Father's Day is coming, and what a best way for you to be able to purchase items at such a good price. So here's an idea. You do need to buy the fragrance have to be $29.99 or more. So here's an idea. You could buy a fragrance like this one that's $32.99. If you have that CVS coupon for 7 off 25 any fragrances, you could use it, and you pay $25.99. You get back 10 ECB, making it $15.99 for perfume. For the Listerine mouthwash, this is for smaller sizes. It's going to be on special for $2.49. There is no coupons needed since the sizes are pretty small, but you get back 2 ECB at the end of your receipt. When you buy 1, you could do a limit of 2, making it 49 cents each. This could be a little pricey, but if you do have the CVS coupon for the mouthwash, it does help you save even more. So what you could do is buy two, because the requirement is to buy two for $6.99. And you could use two coupons from P&G and the CVS mouthwash coupon. You pay $8.98, but you get back 4 ECB, making it $2.49 each. For this deal, you need to spend $20. What you could do is buy three. They're going to be a special for $7.99. So your total will be $23.97. You could use two of the P&G. Since there's a limit of two, you could use in a coupon per day. But select one from the CVS app. That way you're able to use three in one transaction. You'll pay $19.47, but you get back 5 ECB. And your total will be $4.82 each item. But do scan your card to see if you have any type of diaper CVS coupon. I share other deals idea using the CVS candy coupon, deducting one of three, excludes premium. We did call, and they couldn't even explain too much. They did say that if the candy does say premium, then we won't be able to use this coupon. So this is a deal idea, and that's why I put it. CVS coupon is allowed. This is going to be on BOGO, so buy one and get the other one free. And you could use a coupon deducting two, and you could use that coupon from CVS that we got last week, and it will be free for both items. Some of the deal items, it depends on the checkout 51 offers we're going to get on Thursday, but I did wanted to have this deal ad as ready and as early as I could. If I see any other offers and I see any new coupons coming in or any new offers from the app, I'm going to create another video, and I'm also going to provide that in my blog as well as my social media. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you're getting ready to be able to save so much, since we got so many good freebies and so many good items expected for this Sunday, just like some many good answers. So if you like this video, you could give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with other people so they could save as much as they can. And until the next video, so don't forget to subscribe too. Bye.